This is part 2, related to the 1958 C1 Corvette. My little Fuelie. This thing is fantastic. I have previous videos on this. Check them out. Here we go for this video. Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Bert. Hope you're having a fantastic time. Hey, subscribe down below. That would be fantastic. In this video, I've got for you an old 70s Charger, a 38 Cadillac, both of which are being worked on right now at Hickman Creations in Gunter, Texas. Now, this is part 2 of the photo shoots related to the 1958 Corvette, the resto mod by Keith Hickman, Hickman Creations, and the gang. They did a phenomenal job on this car. So this was another series of photo shoots with that car, and it included Eleanor and a really cool pickup truck that I think you'll like. It is called the Chevy Cameo. This is a very rare pickup truck. So you got 3 rare vehicles in a photo shoot together. And this is just not something that you run across every day. This is fairly phenomenal. So I just wanted to let you see what I experienced, and so here we go. It may not look like it, but this is a 1938 Cadillac. Here is the tank engine that goes into the Cadillac. Well, this is actually a flathead Cadillac engine V8, of which can power the tracks of 1/2 of a old World War II Army tank. 2 of these engines would actually fully power a World War II Army tank. Fantastic engine. And this is just a really neat car. Got a couple of clips of it that I just wanted to share with you real quick. The bodywork, well, the customer actually asked for a patina style paint job. And the interior is already completed. It's just not all here with the car right now. So it's back in the upholstery room. But this car is getting very close to being finished, and they should be completing it actually somewhere in the not so distant future. This is a 1970 Charger, and they are in the middle of, doing body work on this. It is on a Morrison chassis. Whole lot of modifications going on this car. Here is the Hemi engine that they have ready for it. This thing is massive, so this car is going to have some get up and go. And I just thought I'd give you this quick clip of the fun and excitement that these gentlemen have when they are squeezing this car back into the body shop. After the Charger landed in the body shop, Keith went over some of the really cool things he's going to do with this car, including the rear and at the back window. This will be very cool. I will have a couple of clips in here of everybody getting the car set up for the photo shoots. You're looking at a 1958 Chevy Cameo, the Eleanor movie car, and the My Little Fuelie 58 Corvette. I just did a second clip, pretty much the same thing. Just wanted to go back over it again and let you get a double take on this. Getting pictures and video clips of 3 cars that are extremely rare no matter where you are in the world. This was an extraordinary experience, something that I had never dreamed would happen. And these cars are so photogenic, you just can't go wrong taking a picture of them from any angle. They are all very, very handsome cars. In my previous 2 videos, I have told you about the 1958 Corvette My Little Fuelie and the Gone in 60 Seconds Eleanor Mustang movie car. Now, to finish off this video while you look at the Corvette and truck together, I want to tell you more about this Cameo pickup. The Chevy Cameo pickup started 1955, stopped 1958. This was a very, I guess you'd say, classy truck. Had really cool options for back then: power steering, spare tires, full set of hubcaps. But obviously what was promoted with this truck was the rear end had all the styling of a Bel Air. The Cameo was originally a sales flop, hence the reason why by 1958 it was gone. But nowadays, this is a legendary, just highly sought after pickup truck. And in this case, this is a 1958. The owner had spotted a little bit by accident. He kind of knew the car was out there, but it was a total rust bucket and it needed a ton of work. So he grabbed the truck, took it to Hickman Creations, of whom have turned it into a huge collectible car now. I didn't get the value of the pickup truck from the Hickmans or the owner. I went out to Hemmings, found identical trucks, and they were valued or priced at $65,000 to $95,000. Well, I hope that was fun. It was fun for me, so I hope you got something out of it. I hope it was enjoyable to you, and I hope you subscribe. That is what I really hope right now at this second. It is so easy to do, and it, helps everybody. So I guess with that, I really hope you enjoyed the 58 Corvette. So relax, take it easy, because you never know when you're going to see a Cameo pickup. And I will see you later. I am gone in 60 seconds with that Eleanor Mustang. That was fantastic. And yes, that was very corny, but I'm going to keep it. So bye. Have fun. See ya. Hasta la vista. Bye. It's instances like this that I really worry about the people that I have to drive with out on the road when they can't even park right.